I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the exact hutch and noting its ID. This prevents cross-check errors. Once done, collect your checklist or open the inventory app and bring a light source for dim sections. Make sure you have gloves or any required PPE so you can safely handle items. Start at the first labeled slot and read the visible number. Speak it aloud as you record it. This immediate confirmation reduces mistakes and establishes a clear starting point for the count. You now move through the hutch methodically, following one direction so you never skip a slot. Read each printed or engraved number, then scan the barcode or RFID tag when possible to confirm the digital record. If a number doesn't match the system, flag it, take a photo, and jot a quick note explaining the discrepancy. Make sure to update quantities or missing item flags right away. Delaying this step creates reconciliation headaches later. Keep momentum but stay accurate. Finish by reconciling every flagged mismatch. Contact a supervisor or check historical records to confirm the correct number. Once reconciled, complete the checklist, sync your device so changes save centrally, and add a timestamp and your initials. If you encounter unreadable or missing labels, replace them immediately and log the corrective action, including photos. If problems persist, use the photo evidence to request a recount or maintenance. This single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.